I think it's important for us to have the activities and the events like this today to exchange our viewpoints. Only when we have learned from each other, we can know more about what they think about this and what we think about that.
In the region, we need to have a cooperation at the regional level, enhance the cooperation between other sectors like private sector, like the young generation. That is very important for the region to go forward and could bring benefits for all communities.
Plastic pollution has many impact to our daily life, and we have to consider about how it's produced, and like we as a youth can like do something to make it better.
We should try to meet and exchange as much as possible, not only the people in our nation, but also with other people in the Mekong regions.